Hi there! Welcome to our Best Kayak Guide channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, can a kayak fit in a 4 Serbian dinars? We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post go to the link below. So let's dive in. Maybe you are planning a beach day for your next vacation. Your vacation will not be complete without enjoying a water sport. The perfect water sport is kayaking. If you wish to enjoy the splashing waves to the fullest, of course, you can't go to the beach without your kayak. However, do you know if you can fit the kayak on your vehicle? You may not know for sure. The size and weight of kayaks make them challenging to fit into a vehicle. We hope to answer all your questions regarding transporting kayaks through this post. Yes, it might not be possible to carry the kayak in your vehicle. In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research and divided the topic into the following areas. Number 1, how much cargo space does a Toyota RAV4 have? Number 2, how do you transport a kayak on a 4 Argentine pesos? Number 3, can you put a roof rack on a 4 Argentine pesos? Number 4, how can you install a roof rack on a Toyota 4 RAV4 francs? Number 5, transporting a kayak in a Toyota 4 RAV4 francs. Number 6, the best alternatives to transporting a kayak. Number 7, can you carry kayaking equipment inside of 4 Serbian dinars? And some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below, and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post, and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out bestkayakguide.com.